3S Import and Export, we are committed to making solar energy accessible and affordable for everyone. Since 2018, we have been providing reliable and cost-effective solar products to customers around the world. One of our best-selling products is the GT-800W, a high-performance microinverter with a user-friendly cloud monitoring feature. A microinverter maximises the power generation potential of each solar module by operating at the individual module level, enabling precise maximum power point tracking. The GT-800W microinverter boasts a power output that can reach up to 800 watts with a peak efficiency of 95%, guaranteeing high yields for consumers. Furthermore, its low total harmonic distortion value is less than 5%, which ensures a stable AC output, resulting in heightened conversion efficiency. The product's durability is underscored by its IP65 rated casing, which provides robust protection against dust and water ingress. Moreover, it incorporates a natural cooling mechanism that facilitates effective heat dissipation. For added peace of mind, the product comes with various built-in protection features, such as over-voltage, over-temperature and over-current protection, ensuring safe and stable operation. It also has an extensive operating temperature range from -40 to +65 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for various climates and environments. Finally, the product offers a convenient and intuitive cloud monitoring feature that allows you to access real-time data on your solar system's performance from anywhere using your smartphone or computer. You can also receive alerts and notifications in case of any issues or faults, and get remote support from our technical team.